woman draws strength from troubles, smiles during distress, and grows stronger with prayers and hope. We all are one of them. Respected Principal Reverend Sister Leonie, Motherji, Reverend Sister Benzi, Reverend Sister Neha, all my teaching and non-teaching staff. I wish all sisters and my dear teachers a very happy Women's Day. A heartwarming good morning to all present over here. We have assembled here today to celebrate Women's Day. International Women's Day 2021 is being celebrated across the globe on March 8 like every year. The day is very special as an exclusive day for the UN has set aside the day as an exclusive day for women to acknowledge their existence and celebrate womanhood. It is a day where women are recognized and appreciated for their hard work and dedication. The theme for International Women's Day 2021 is Let us all choose to challenge. Remember what Mahatma Gandhi said. Be the change you wish to see in the world. So this Women's Day theme is to create an inclusive world and remove gender bias and inequality. We all very well know that a hand that rocks the cradle can rule the world too. So if women puts her mind to do something, nothing can stop her from achieving that. Also, a famous Sanskrit shlok from Manusmriti says, Yatra naryastu pujyante, ramante tatra devataha, which means where women are honored, divinity blossoms there. God resides where women are worshipped. Women are the pioneers of the nation and Indian culture attaches a great importance to women. It is difficult to think a sustainable development in a family without a woman in the house. There are a number of roles that a woman plays in her lifetime. Hence, it won't be wrong if we call them the super women. On this International Women's Day, let's recognize the significance of women in our lives and society and inspire them for greater future achievement.
One and all, feminism isn't about making the woman stronger. Women are already strong. It's about the way the world perceives that strength. Beloved Principal, Reverend Sister Leonie, teachers, and all my dear friends, I, Harsh Patil from Standard 10C, would like to speak a few lines about International Women's Day. International Women's Day falls on 8th of March every year. It's a day when women are recognized and appreciated for all their hard work and dedication. International Women's Day is a day when women are appreciated for all their hard work and effort to maintain their lives and the lives of others around them. It's a day to show the women in your life how much you care for them and love them. It's a day which is celebrated all over the globe with lots of love and happiness. It's an occasion when you show the women in your life that how much their existence means to you. The empowerment of women is a great responsibility that all these women need. The world becomes a better place when the women don't feel the hardships to exist. For many years, women have faced several difficulties. Earlier, the role of women was limited to household works, child needs. She is self-confident and strong enough to take care of herself. It is a change which gave the women all around the world the freedom which makes them financially independent. They are self-confident and aren't afraid to push all the boundaries to finish their works. I would like to dedicate few lines to the women. Every home, every heart, every feeling, every moment of happiness is incomplete without women. Only women can complete this world. Happy Women's Day. Thank you.
I now request our Principal, Reverend Sister Leonie, to give the message on this day.
Good morning to one and all. Very respected Superior Sister Nancy, Assistant Principal Sister Neha, very beloved teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear children. First of all, wish you all, excluding the gents staff and the boys, a happy Women's Day to all of you. A woman, she is a sacrifice. A woman, she is a blessing. A woman, she is a virgin. Your birth is a foundation for this humanity. She is a lamb to a family. Without that lamb, without that woman, a family is zero. Without a woman, we cannot think about this humanity and about this earth. So my dear ones, woman, you are a mother, you are a wife, and you are a sister. So my dear teachers and my dear woman, you are a boon, not a curse to this world. Once, I was in the office, one person came to visit. So by that particular time, one small girl came with a chocolate or birthday wishing. So immediately taking one chocolate from the box, and the child was touching the feet of the person on who is sitting. Immediately that person said, "No, my dear child, you are the Lakshmi." Yes, my dear teachers and my dear women, you are the Lakshmis for the world. As we move to the history, many ladies are proved that really she is a worth to this world. One of the examples are Indira Gandhi. She is an Iron Woman of our India, the first lady Prime Minister for our India. And the next, the Kalpana Chawla, the first woman landed in space from India. Mother Teresa, the first woman saint from India. And Kiran Bedi, one of the first IPS boy from our India. Like many ladies created this history for this world. In Puranas or in ancient history, we used to say that woman, she's a weak and she's her no strength. But when we look around, we can see that without a lady, there is nothing. That lady, she proved that I am something for this world, I am the basic for this world. At the last, when Jesus Christ was on the cross, his beloved mother and one of his disciples was under the cross. Jesus Christ looked at the Mother Mary and she said, "Woman, this is your son." And look at the son and he said, "Son, this is your mother." So Jesus Christ on the cross, he proclaimed, "The woman, you are the particular mother to this world." Yes, my dear teachers, you are the mothers to this world. Yes, my dear teachers, as a woman, I and you are the worth or the precious one to this world. Challenge yourself to live a good life. A happy Women's Day to all of you. Thank you.
I invite all the teachers to please be on the stage.
विश्व महिला दिनाचरणेय शुभाशया विश्व महिला दिनाचरणेय शुभाशया विश्व महिला दिनाचरणेय शुभाशया विश्व महिला दिनाचरणेय शुभाशया Happy Women's Day Happy Women's Day Happy Women's Day Happy Women's Day ಪ್ರತಿ ಮಾರ್ಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಖಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡುವೆವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಬ್ಬವ
now have Jagdish sir to speak a few words for us.
तेज तू, ज्ञान तू, तत्व तू, सत्व तू, सात तू, मान तू, झेप तू, ध्येय तू, साहस तू, संगीत तू, ताल तू, भाव तू, तू उतुंग, तू अद्वितीय नारी. सर्व महिलांनाही समर्पित. असं म्हटलं जातं की पुरुषांच्या मक्तेदारीची सर्वच क्षेत्र स्त्रीने अल्पावधीतच काबीज केली आहे. जर स्त्री आणि पुरुष समानता पूर्वीपासूनच असती तर या देशाचं चित्र अजून काहीसं वेगळं असतं असं सर्व पुरुषांनी मांडलं. आणि आता ज्या पद्धतीने आपण पाहतोय ते सर्व पाहिलं तर नक्कीच एक गोष्ट आपल्याला अभिमानाने सांगावीशी वाटते की 135 कोटीच्या देशामध्ये कालच रोम येथे झालेल्या स्पर्धेमध्ये एका महिलेने रँकिंग सिरीजमध्ये पात्रता फेरीमध्ये एका आठवड्यामध्ये 2 गोल्ड मेडल जिंकले. आणि ऑलिम्पिकसाठी पात्रता फेरी तिने पार केली म्हणजे विनेश फोगाट हे खऱ्या अर्थानं आजच्या महिला दिनाचं एका महिलेकडून सर्व महिलांसाठी एक चांगली भेट म्हणावी लागेल. मंगणाऱ्या स्वप्नांची तू एकमात्र आस, तू प्रेरणा, तू करुणा, तू आहेस विश्वास. प्रत्येक नवजीवांचा तर आधारही तूच, मरणोन्मुख जीवनाचाही तूच अमृत श्वास. द्वेषाच्या या दुनियेत तू प्रेमाची बरसात. जाण तुझी स्त्री शक्ती, होऊ नकोस उदास. एकाच दिवसासाठी तू सीमित नाहीस, प्रत्येक दिवसासाठी तूच आहेस खास, तूच आहेस खास. तू चंचल मन निर्मला, व्यवहार कुशला, भाषा कोमल, सदैव समर्पिता हेस ती. नदिया सा चलना, सागर से मिलना, खुद को भी भूलकर अपना अस्तित्व संभालना. रोशन अस्मिता हेस ती. सृष्टि की जननी, प्रेम रूप धारिणी, शक्ति सहादिनी, सबल कार्यकारिणी, अन्नपूर्णा अर्पिता हेस ती. मूरत है ममता, प्रचंड है क्षमता, प्रामाणिक विधायक, सौजन्य विनायक, अखंड सहनशीलता. आज का युग तेरा है परिणीता, नारी तुझ पर संसार गर्विता, नारी तुझ पर संसार गर्विता. परत एकदा सर्वांना या महिला दिनाच्या, जागतिक महिला दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. सगळे सर, अशोक सर, आयुक्त अंकल आणि माझ्याकडून सर्व सीएमसी सिस्टर्स, सर्व टीचर्स, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ आणि आपल्या स्कूलमधील सर्व मावशी या सर्वांना पुन्हा एकदा मी जागतिक महिला दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद.